Get ready to explore some of the most impressive machines built to conquer every challenge. From slicing timber with the powerful Westtech woodcracker to clearing massive snow piles with the Lero snowblower, and even cutting through rock with the Chem Rock chain cutter, these machines redefine efficiency. Whether it's forestry, demolition, snow grooming, or global shipping, these giants make tough jobs look easy. First, meet the Westtech woodcracker, a cutting-edge attachment that transforms wood processing. Mounted on excavators, it cuts and splits timber with incredible precision and speed. Whether it's land clearing or forestry operations, this tool handles even the toughest logs efficiently. The Westtech woodcracker replaces outdated manual methods, making timber work faster, cleaner, and more productive. Lero snowblower. When winter hits hard, the Lero snowblower steps in. Attached to tractors, this heavy-duty snowblower makes snow removal effortless. From roads and parking lots to large open spaces, it clears snow quickly and efficiently. Its strong construction and adjustable features allow it to handle heavy snowfall, turning snow-covered landscapes into clear, safe ground, no matter how tough the winter gets. Chem Rock chain cutter. Next up, the Chem Rock chain cutter, a beast in rock and concrete cutting. Designed for excavators, its powerful motor and durable chain slice through concrete walls and solid rock formations with ease. Perfect for demolition and excavation, the Chem Rock Chain Cutter brings precision and strength together, getting the job done faster and more efficiently. PTH Panther T14. Let's head into deep snow with the PTH Panther T14, a snow grooming machine built for extreme winter conditions. With its advanced technology and rugged design, the Panther T14 glides through deep snow effortlessly. Creating perfectly groomed trails for winter sports enthusiasts. Whether it's ski slopes or snowmobile paths, this machine leaves flawless tracks behind. Uniforest Forestry Winch. In the dense forest, the Uniforest hydraulic forestry winch proves its worth. Mounted on forestry tractors, it's designed to pull heavy logs out of difficult terrains. With its powerful hydraulic system, it handles massive loads smoothly, making logging operations safer and more efficient. When dealing with heavy timber deep in the woods, the Uniforest winch is an essential tool. Now we shift to the ports with the Liebherr rubber tire gantry crane, a giant in container handling. Its rubber tires allow flexible movement across busy terminals, while its massive lifting capacity makes it essential for global shipping operations. With precision control and robust design, it ensures containers move swiftly, keeping worldwide trade flowing without delays.